Hi, this is Brian here. It's October the 1st, 2008 and I'm struggling with a cold. However, we've overshot in several areas. The first one I'm going to talk about is the energy crisis. We've overshot with our energy. We've overshot now, linked very strongly to energy with the economy. The economy's overshot and global economy is falling over. We've overshot with population, and as a consequence we've overshot with the environment. It's actually looking pretty much like what's described in the book of Revelations, where we enter into a period of incredible desperation for the planet, the actual survival of the planet. And the difficult and serious part about all this is that there seems to be a complete failure to understand that the model that we've worked with, I won't use the word paradigm because people don't like that, but the model we've worked with has broken, and there seems to be no recognition of that, and that we cannot return to the situation where we just consume and resume business as usual. Because what's going to happen is that with the overshoot that's taken place, the whole idea of being able to sustain the kind of unbelievable consumer wastage is just totally unacceptable. We just cannot do that. We cannot resume this way of living, and people haven't understood it. We're going to be in an economic depression that we will not come out of, and so we need to reorganize our societies and our countries, our cultures, in accordance with a new understanding of how we share the resources that are left, how we protect what we have, and basically, if we do not reach an understanding and a consensus around these important issues, then I'm afraid that our end will be particularly ugly. We will have a massive die-off. I think actually this is all pretty academic because many people are dying now as I speak. Some in war, some through famine, starvation, malnutrition, and illness. All of these things are now taking place, and in a way, you know, we in the West and those affluent countries have contributed it. You cannot have the differences in wealth and income. You can't have the extremes where we've got people like Warren Buffett, who has accumulated billions, but it's been at the expense of the majority of the population of the world. The poor people pay the price for the affluent, and so I mean, it's totally unacceptable. It's got to stop, and if it doesn't stop, then I'm expecting that we'll just absolutely tear ourselves apart.